Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to go over how to sort data in Excel when you're dealing with multiple criteria. So, if you just want to sort by ascending or descending order, you just go to the data tab and just click one of these buttons. Now, it gets a bit more challenging when, you want to sort based on multiple things. For example, let's say I wanted to sort by name, then by store, and then by the largest amount. Right. To do that, it takes it takes a few steps because we can't just sort. We can't just say, okay, let's sort by the name, then by the store, and then by amount. Right. It's not. It hasn't sorted properly at all because we end up sorting by the most recent thing that we sorted by. That becomes our main thing. So you see the amounts are sorted by largest to smallest from in descending order. The key thing to remember when you're sorting data in Excel by multiple, and you've got multiple criteria you want to sort by, you want to work backwards in reverse order. So amount, which was the last thing that I want to sort by, because I want to go first by name, then by store, then by amount. So because the amount's the last thing I want to sort by, that's actually the first thing that I want to sort by. So for example, I'll sort that by, let's say, highest to lowest, descending order. Then I'll sort by the store. And let's say this one I wanted in ascending order. And then lastly, I'll sort by name in ascending order. And now you can see, now I've got the names. They're sorted by store, and then the amounts in descending order. So you can see we've got Alexander Lee. There were 2 expenses at Michael's, and those were sorted from largest to smallest. So now when you work backwards, that's how you actually end up getting the sort that you want. So in my example, again, I went name, then store, then amount. So the order of sorting was amount, store, then name. So it's a really simple thing to do, but it can be confusing why when you're sorting, you may logically think that, okay, you have to first sort by name, then by store, then by amount. But if you do it that way, your results are not going to be what you wanted. Instead, work backwards, and instead of sorting name, store, and amount, first go amount, then store, then name. Doing it that way will get you the sort order that you want.